We're here at the Warwick Village Condominium Complex in Macomb Township. We're just a few minutes from Hall Road, which Hall Road has tons of shopping. It's got tons of restaurants, really close to the expressway. I'm standing outside of the condominium complex. We have a fitness center, we've got a pool, and we've got a hot tub. The condo complex has a really low HOA, and we're actually looking at it with an investor today who's looking to pick up a condo for a long-term rental property. There are first floor units as well as upstairs units, ranging from $180,000 to $250,000. So, a little tour of the complex. Let's check it out. So let's go check out the pool. It's not open right now because it's winter time here in Michigan, but we do have a cool pool with a hot tub and a fitness center. So let's check it out. So as you can see, we've closed up the pool for the winter, but it's a nice sized pool with a lot of cement surrounding. And then we've got the hot tub